Alrighty, it's time for another video. Welcome back to, I believe it's lesson number 4. Today we're going to be talking about forming basic major chords, excuse me. I know we've already talked about notes, we've already talked about major scales, Nashville number system, and we've already gone into the minor scales as well. So now we're going to go back to those major scales and we're going to start forming major chords from them. So let's go to the piano. And let's start forming major chords. I'm going to start back with C here because C is obviously easy for everybody to work with. It's simply all the white keys. Now when you start forming a basic major chord, you have to go through and remember your basic major scales. So for the key of C, or the C major scale, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, when you're forming a major chord, if you're forming a C major chord, you start off with the 1, the 3, and the 5. This is what's called a basic major chord, or some people refer to it as a basic triad, because it's only 3 notes for a basic chord. Now later on we'll get into more and more complex chords, but this is a basic major chord. If you have trouble with your scales and you're simply in the moment trying to remember how to form a simple major chord, here's another way to look at it. You can start with your 1 and just remember God's favorite number, 7. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, you count 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3 add up to 7, God's favorite number. That has been basic major chords. That same breakdown will work for any major chord that you work with. Hopefully you'll tune into the next video and we'll start talking about basic minor chords. God bless you and you have a great day.